Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, March 26th, and I leave in a couple hours. I just woke up. I washed my face and all that stuff. I still haven't had my coffee, but I have a whole list of things that I have to do. I haven't packed. I leave at 6 o'clock. Technically, I leave at 3 o'clock out my house, and it's 8, almost 9 o'clock. I do have work today, so I will be going back and forth with those two. Am I stressed? Maybe. I'm gonna try not to be. I'm gonna try to be very positive about this trip and me getting everything together. I have to find some time to do my eyebrows and go do my eyebrows and take off this gel off my toes. I'm trying to figure out, am I being realistic? But I really need to get this done. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. So let me go make some coffee so I can function a lot better. Okay, so I just finished my my first meeting. I'm halfway through my coffee, still feeling tired, but I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I finished my meeting and I found an eyebrow place around my house. So they literally open at 10. So they open at 10 o'clock and it's 10:01. So I'm gonna dart my way over there. I have another meeting. I'm really crazy. I have another meeting in 30 minutes. This needs to get done. Shoes. These shoes right here, these are Nike, I forgot the name of them. I want to say they were free run. No, they're not free run. Are they free run? I think they might be free run. So here's the thing. Should I leave just like this? I need some type of bra. It is hot outside, so I think I'm good with just this. Where's my mask? I got my phone, bag, wallet. So I'm back. All right, guys, let's go. So updates. I just finished my meeting with work stuff, and I started to organize my outfits. I am now packing them into my luggage. I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing pretty good. So right now all you see is the pants, but it's because I rolled in the shirt with the pants, and I think that is just a brilliant idea. For shoes and purses, I am gonna take a big handbag, which is technically it's so big, it's like a suitcase. So but I'm gonna take it as a purse. A little traveling hack, and I'm gonna put my shoes and purses and all my important stuff in there, and that's going with me on the plane. I feel like I'm doing pretty good in time. I did tell you that I couldn't get my eyebrows done because I went over there and they were closed, but I just called the lady and she said that the lady will be there at 12. So I think we're moving. The only thing I am watching and I am noticing is that I am packing a lot of stuff, as if I'm going for a whole month, and I need to relax. Okay, I went to go get my eyebrows done. I like them. They're clean. Can you focus? Okay, I'm so close. I've always had that, so I'm whatever. Are they even? Probably not. I fill them in anyways. I just like to have them cleaned up. So yeah, so that's done, which is good. I look crazy. I took my headband off. I'm about to go shower and do all the shower things necessary and then pack my toiletries. I have about an hour to get my life together. I'm a wildin'. I'm really wildin'. At least my room is cleaned. Usually if I'm doing something like this, my room will be a mess, but it's not. We have made it through check-in, TSA, and we had some Starbucks. Hold on. lighting is so bad. We're currently waiting for our flight. I think we type early. We're early? Yeah. We're early.
Continuing with our boarding process and departure.
She's very loud. I don't think I'm really gonna vlog in the plane just because I'm trying to sleep-ish, watch a movie, so we will see about that.